Hi, it's Hannah, and today I'll be showing you how to get the perfect Salon French manicure, so let's get started. First, apply a base coat to the tips of your nails only. Once dried, apply a white polish to the tip, making sure you cover your free edge. Then I'm going to grab one of my Mitty brushes. All of the brushes that I use are from Mitty, so be sure to check the description for a coupon code just in case you're interested in grabbing some. So now dip the brush into acetone and begin to shape the white polish to the natural curve of your smile line. I prefer to do this when the polish is still wet since it's easier to shape. My brush is flat, but you can also use a curved brush, really just whatever works best for you. You can also use French tip guides to sort of give you the base for the tip, then go in with the brush to customize it to your nail shape. But if you don't have any, you can just do what I'm doing. After trying all different types of French tip techniques, I find that this one is most precise and gives the best results. Also, if you need to, use a detail brush to touch up the sides of the nail to complete the curve. Now apply one layer of base coat over the entire nail since we couldn't do that before due to the acetone. Next, apply a pinky sheer polish over your nails to give them a more natural look. Finally, apply a top coat to help protect your manicure and give it a nice glossy finish. And that's it, now you're done. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you later. Bye!